Alright, short video about Hall currents, electromagnetic fields creating weather phenomenon, and a synchronization of two different images. Now, if you look in the upper left, you see the timestamps. We've got almost the identical period of time there. 20 frames up to 1527 universal time. And the left side is the NASA GOES visible satellite, and the right side is the water vapor. A lot of people going outside, seeing patterns in the sky, not understanding them. Now, let's zoom out sufficiently so we can see the entire image. We're looking at the state of Pennsylvania, a little bit of New Jersey, New York, and Maryland. Now, what's interesting about this is that the water vapor map is showing you things that you can't see once again. The same way it does this when you're looking at the Doppler radar and you can't understand what's going to happen, when the snow's going to start or stop, when the rain's going to start or stop. Get the zoom the same here. That's pretty close. So now you see all of these patterns here on the left pane that are aligned like this, these concentric lines. And then if you look on the image on the right, you can see some kind of lines like this that are kind of like parallel lines. Now, when there's more moisture in the air, people look up and they think they see chemtrails. They think there's some sort of large-scale commercial airline-based spraying operation. And what I like people to understand is the actual phenomenon associated with this. So let me just show you this diagram real quick. When the solar radiation is hitting the planet, it splits into field-aligned currents. You've got positive charge coming in, solar protons. You've got electrons, negative charge coming out. And when this occurs, this is where you get your aurora. And those charges have to reconcile. They have to try to reach equilibrium. So you've got these Peterson currents that are going back and forth between the field-aligned currents. And some of the energy needs to spill out of there. And it comes down like this, and it makes these curves, whether it's daytime or nighttime. So now you see the way around each side you've got like a circle around each area where the field-aligned currents come in, and then you have progressively weaker and weaker fields. Those affect weather. Those are what cause weather to happen, and we see it all the time. Let's go back to that again. If we can get the panes to work correctly, that would be perfect. So again, there you can see the water vapor map, which is really showing you things you can't see, obviously. Because when water vapor is not condensed on a cloud, it is invisible. And there you have the visible satellite. You got those herringbone formations in the sky. Those are caused by electrical fields. So, just thought I'd share that with y'all YouTube subscribers. Thanks for watching. Have a delightful day. And don't pet any rabid dogs.